it's Sherry Mankey here. I'm going to talk to you about Zoom. Have you ever been on Zoom calls before where people just don't show up? Maybe you're educating or you're teaching on Zooms and they just don't show up. Maybe they don't know how to download the app, or maybe they get the app and then they get on the call and then they can't hear you, they can't see you, they don't know how to turn the speaker on, they don't know how to turn their camera on. So many disappointments, or they just don't show up at all to your class. And you spent this time and this energy preparing to teach and educate on Zoom. Well, I have found the solution for me. We're just gonna hop over to my computer and I'm gonna show you. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do is we're going to go into our Zoom login. So you're gonna go to this sign in where you sign in and log into your Zoom. You're gonna put your email address, your password in, and you're gonna sign in. Because there's a couple things in here that I need to show you before you can teach in your Facebook group or on your Facebook page. So what you wanna do is go down to the account management, and you're gonna click on account management. And then you're going to go down, I'm on the left side here, you're gonna click down here over to account settings. So we are right over here, click on account settings. And then what you want to do is we're gonna grab up here at the top. So up here, we're gonna grab and just go pull down until we come to in meeting advanced. I didn't think I passed it. It's quite a ways down actually. And keep on going. Okay, so you're gonna come to here, in meeting advanced. You want to make sure that you have allow users to report meetings participants. You wanna have that on. And you also want to come down to allow live streaming of meetings. It's almost down at the bottom. So allow live streaming of meetings. Make sure this button is blue. This is off. We want to make sure that's on, and you want to have Facebook clicked on. You need to have that clicked on. Workplace placed by Facebook and YouTube, if you want to do that as well, you can totally have those on as well. So that's all you really need in that screen. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to bring up your PowerPoint, because you might want to be teaching a PowerPoint. So make sure that your PowerPoint is here, and I'm going to get you to minimize your PowerPoint. And then you're going to open up your Zoom, the time that you had. So I'm going to just pick this 2 o'clock. We're going to start. So I'm going to go into Zoom here now, and we're going to start. We're going to start my video, and then I am going to share my screen. So we're gonna pick my PowerPoint and I'm going to share that there. And up at the top, there's a toolbar here. So it's got mute, stop video, security, participants, new share. You wanna click the more button. And the more button has the 3 little lines on it. And there you should have a drop-down box live on Facebook. So we just created that in our Zoom login settings. So you should be able to go live on Facebook. So you're gonna click that. And then the next thing you are going to do, just wait that. It's going to ask you where you want to go live from. So it's going to ask you to share to your news feed, and we're going to share to a group. And the name of our group is going to be wherever you choose. And then you're going to click next. It's going to say preparing live streaming preview. So you are not going live yet. It's just preparing. And then the next thing you're going to do is decide what you're going to give the title of your Zoom live Facebook a name of. Just give it a second here, it's coming. And over here, you're going to, and you can see actually here, we can see the PowerPoint is up here, okay? So the PowerPoint is here. We're going to call this, I don't know, something catchy. So something where you want to grab somebody's attention. Let's see, boost views on Facebook. I don't know. You can call it whatever you want. So same thing. What are you going to say about this video? Learn how to boost my views. Watch this. Okay, and then you're going to click live and go live here into your group. Now, you can pull up your phone if you would like to have your phone on the side so that you can actually see the comments or what's happening in the live. I believe there's a way you can actually bring the comments up on the computer on the live as well. I like to have my phone just beside my computer, and then I just go through, make sure that the volume is down, go through and check the comments. And this way I am interacting with the people that are on my live. So hopefully that helps you. Let me know. What I want you to do is click the subscribe button below, ring the little bell if you found this of value to you and you would like me to continue to teach you more about how you can teach on Zoom and Facebook and how you can get and grow more of your views and contacts. Have a great day, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. See you soon.